Question: maximum number of isomeric monochloroderivatives which can be obtained from 2,2,5,5 tetramethylhexane by chlorination is. Now this is the structure of 2,2,5,5 tetramethylhexane. Numbering the chain: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons. So hexane, second and fifth carbon have methyl groups. 2 methyl groups on the second carbon and 2 methyl groups on the fifth carbon. So how many isomeric monochloroderivatives can be obtained? Now if we consider that any of these methyl groups which are present on the second carbon or on the fifth carbon get substituted by chlorine, by one chlorine atom, then we can write the structure as CH2Cl and then CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH3. Now this is one of the isomers. Now whether one hydrogen of this methyl group gets substituted by chlorine or these two methyl groups present on the fifth carbon atom or the methyl groups present on the second carbon atom, the product is the same. So this is one of the isomer. And now another two carbons which are different from these carbons, on which hydrogen can be substituted by the chlorine atom. These are the two carbons. Now whether the hydrogen of this carbon gets substituted by chlorine or this carbon, product is the same. So another isomer which is possible is CH3, 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 CHCl, then CH2, CH3, CH3, CH3. Now in this isomer, this carbon is the chiral carbon. Why chiral carbon? Because it is bonded to 4 different groups. So this carbon is chiral carbon, and now here this compound can show optical isomerism and it will have 2 isomers. When it shows optical isomerism, it can give 2 isomers. So total number of isomers are, this is one compound and 2 isomers we obtained from this compound. So total isomers are 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So answer here will be 3.